If you're just getting started with Mandala AI, Explorer is the perfect place to discover what AI can do for you, completely free. Start with everyday tasks, write content, summarize documents, research information, generate images, and explore many more AI capabilities right from day one. You'll receive 25 AI points to get started in your first month. Then enjoy 10 free AI points every month after that. You can work inside AI Studio, a connected workspace where your data and AI models work together in one place without switching between multiple tools. Because every task deserves the right AI. You can choose or switch between different AI models while keeping the same conversation and the same information. So you can compare perspectives, discover new ideas, and choose the output that works best for your goal. Choose from up to 8 AI models and unlock access to even more AI models with higher tier plans. But Mandala AI is not just about having multiple AI models. It's about helping AI understand what you're working on. Every time you add more information, documents, websites, images, or knowledge related to your work, AI gains more context. That's the idea behind Mandala AI. The more you add, the smarter it becomes and the better outputs. Explorer is your first step to discover how AI can support your work, how you want to use it, and what kind of AI experience fits you best. Because everyone works with AI differently. Mandala AI offers a range of plans designed to fit the way you work.